Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at the playground. Enjoy!
This is the natural playground. You got the tree house. And this one is the tractor with the slide. Orang Indonesia juga bisa buat ini. Steering wheel.
Yeah, this is like the other tractor in the Wangarup, but different. It has a different seat.
Okay, you go on a slide.
And it's a big wheel.
Should you go on a slide?
Yeah.
Go.
2, 1. Wahoo!
Okay, next go there.
I just have to do something. Empty my boots. I'll do it in here.
Okay. What do you have to do?
Get my boots.
Okay.
Okay, this is good.
There's Katie right there. She's a runner. She's a runner. Oh, Katie.
Go, Katie. I'm done.
Okay, now you're gonna go on through here.
This one is the trickiest one.
Probably your legs too small. I know you can do it. Let's go. Good job, Han. You're doing good.
That one was a far one.
You can stretch.
Okay, this one I'm stuck. Because I'm scared to put my foot.
Alright, you can get off.
Okay.
It's fine. Now this one,
This
gonna
one
ride on top.
what I have at school.
Yep.
But just small.
You're right, Kate.
Ah, too big.
Oh,
Wait a minute, I can go in here.
okay.
Ah. There's two actually.
You can hop down.
There's loads of special.
Wait, Bob, wait. You're right, and we can go through here. Look.
Run, run, run! Run!
Ta-da! Run.
Down! Run! That's what I do.
Go, Katie. You can do it, Papa. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Don't worry about Hannah. You can do it. You can do it. Little bit more. I got you. Ta-da! Cheese! No.
I'm sorry.
top. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Ta-da! Turn around. Say ta-da! Okay. Yeah, you can go through here. There. Shh. There.
Makes it slow.
And good job.
Guys,
That's too small.
count to 30. I'm gonna hide. You're gonna seek. Count to 30.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ready or not, here I come. Where could she be? Katie, Hannah there? Nah. Can't be right there. Huh! I can see boots. Thank you. Why is Katie? Where's Katie? I can't see Katie. Can't be on the wheels. No. Can't be on other wheels. No. Steering wheel. No.
It's not in here.
Oh, ouchie. You okay?
Are you okay, Katie?
Hannah, what's your book?
Ah.
Oh, you can slide through there.
That's a great hiding spot. That's a good.
No, that is singing. Hey, how about you go climb on that tree? Tree house.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to go there? Climb on the tree house?
Katie, you climb up. And I'll.
Let's go.
There's a whole tree inside the pool.
Let's go.
Step down. Valerie. Hurry, look here.
Climb up.
There's a space to talk through. Oh, yeah, up there.
All right, up you get. Come on.
I'll talk through here.
Good job, Kate. Climb up. Yes. Climb up. One more. One more. It's all right. One more. One more. Hannah, are you gonna climb up? There you go. Woohoo! Well done, Katie. Hannah, quick. Goodbye. Boop. Come on. And then I go up. Come on, Katie. Katie. No, Hannah. Up you get. I'm gonna go up too. You go first. Yes, you go first. So I can take a view. What's the view up there look like?
I think it will be amazing.
That's the baby song.
It's amazing!
It's amazing view.
Hi, Daddy! You're so tiny!
You're so tiny. Ew. Ring, ring.
Ring, ring! Dad, are you dancing to the music or not? He's dancing to... Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Sampai jumpa and stay safe.